Now, a big piece of news that came out of the US this week is the No AI Fraud Act. Now, this is the first act to try to confront the use of deepfakes and somebody taking your image, your likeness, your voice, creating content, creating fake audios, creating, in the worst case, even pornographic videos have been created by lobbying together people, making this in the US again, and this is a difficulty, illegal. But basically, in a summary of it, again, links are on the podcast page. The No AI Fraud Act, which is being proposed, this is just new, so it's not like officially in or voted in, but the idea is that everyone's likeness and voice is protected. My likeness, my voice, yours, you own it. In other words, somebody can't just take it, giving you, individuals, the right to control the use of your identifying characteristics. It's empowering people to enforce this right against those who facilitate, create, and spread AI frauds without their permission. Anyone basically using your image, likeness, voice without your permission. That sounds so matter of fact, right? It sounds like it shouldn't even be thought about. And obviously balance this right against the First Amendment to safeguard speech and innovation, because a lot of times these kind of things tend to happen with little innovation. Now, when you go to this page, you can be able to see what the AI Act includes, which is a long sort of 13-page document. I've included a download one-page summary that they give out. But the biggest thing with the No AI Fraud Act is, okay, this is great on paper. What happens when we realize that right now we can't even, for example, my text, which is sort of my own copyright, my likeness, my intellectual property, my likeness and my voices. But if I write my text or even put out a graphic or anything, there's no tool, even ChatGPT, OpenAI confirmed this. They stopped the tool saying that they could find and detect AI fraud or AI manipulation of text. Images aren't much better. We've talked about that in previous pods. But with this act, which is so well intended and it's great, it gives us intellectual property, so it gives us some legal ground to stand on. But again, early days, only applies to the US. What does it actually mean?